10-minute positive energy meditation. Introduction with deep breathing. In this meditation, we will explore the importance of positive energy, how to create it, and how to attract it into our lives. Find a comfortable space where you can relax without interruptions. Let's begin by taking a few deep breaths in and out. Embracing positive energy with 2 minutes of focused reflection. Close your eyes and reflect on the significance of positive energy. Positive energy elevates our mood, improves our health, and enhances our relationships. With each breath, feel this positive energy flowing through you. Acknowledge how it influences your thoughts and emotions. Stay with this awareness. If your mind wanders, gently refocus on the positive energy within you. Generating positive energy with 30 seconds of intention setting. Now, let's create positive energy. Think of an intention like, I am surrounded by positive energy, or I attract positivity. Silently repeat this affirmation with each breath, feeling the energy it generates. Visualize this energy within you, filling your being. Stay in this creation process. If your mind wanders, gently refocus on your affirmation. Drawing in positive energy with 2 minutes of visualization. Imagine yourself as a magnet for positive energy. Visualize vibrant, positive experiences being drawn to you effortlessly. See yourself surrounded by supportive people and joyful moments. With each breath, feel this attraction growing stronger. Stay in this visualization. If your mind wanders, gently refocus on the magnetism of positive energy. Energizing your space with 30 seconds of focused intention. Think about your home and the energy it holds. Visualize each room filled with light, warmth, and joy. With each breath, send positive energy to your home, infusing it with love and gratitude. Consider small changes to enhance the energy in your space. If your mind wanders, gently refocus on the positive energy you are sending to your home. Closing with 30 seconds of deep breathing. As we conclude, take a moment to savor the joy and positivity from this practice. Remember, by embracing positive energy, you raise your vibration and align yourself with a joyful, fulfilling life. Carry this sense of connection and light with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, may you stay grounded in positive energy.